Ensuring brand-compliant images are up to date across multiple applications can be both complex and time-consuming, especially when each app requires different steps. Our research shows that when images are difficult to access, users lose confidence, reverting to outdated versions or searching for relevant images online, which can result in an inconsistent brand image. That's why we developed the Office at Work image chooser, allowing you to manage, distribute, and use images across all applications from a single, centralized location. With the image chooser, the latest version of every image is instantly available throughout your organization. The image chooser integrates seamlessly with your Microsoft 365 tenant, leveraging SharePoint document libraries to manage images. Uploading new images is as simple as dragging and dropping files into the library. For those needing version control, SharePoint's versioning feature allows you to quickly roll back to previous versions. You can also activate the check-in and checkout function to ensure only one person can update an image at a time, avoiding duplicates. SharePoint's role-based permissions offer robust access control, allowing you to manage who can upload or update images. Need to notify users of updates automatically? Use SharePoint's Flow integration to trigger automated notifications based on image updates. Organizations needing to test changes first can implement a staging process using additional image libraries with a smaller group before rolling them out to the entire organization. In addition, if your team requires multilingual support, you can translate image titles in language-specific columns or automate translations based on users' preferred languages in Microsoft 365 using SharePoint flows. Even if you're not responsible for all images across your organization, the Office at Work Admin Center lets you create as many image libraries as you need. Different departments or teams can manage their own libraries with custom rules, ensuring that all users have access to the most up-to-date images no matter who manages them. Larger organizations often prefer using SharePoint-based image libraries managed through the Admin Center, while smaller teams may find Teams-based libraries more suitable. Teams owners can create image libraries directly within the Image Chooser app, providing additional flexibility and control over the process. In enterprise environments where managing a central SharePoint library may be challenging, Teams-based image libraries can be a better fit. You can find detailed instructions on managing libraries and setting up sources through our Admin Center videos. In addition, organizations can also choose to enable or disable the free image bank libraries of Unsplash and Pixabay based on their needs. If you have branded images in Frontify, you can connect directly to it, making all your branded assets easily accessible within Microsoft 365. If you are curious about how images are being used, the Image Chooser's Analytics feature tracks every image usage and reports it to a Power BI data pool of your choice. You can easily set this up using our step-by-step guide in the Admin Center. Through centralized management and seamless integration across your apps, the Image Chooser simplifies image management, enhances the usage of every brand-approved image, while delivering better business outcomes. If you're ready to provide every user with the image they need, when they need it, the Image Chooser is the app you need.